You know what, Peter? Where are you based now?
Singapore.
Singapore. You see, we've never been to Singapore, and I've asked this to our previous guests before. What monetary currency do you use in Singapore?
Singapore money.
Singapore money. Well, I regret to inform you, Peter, that we've never seen Singaporean money before. You know, I've been longing to see one.
Ayan o, si ate napaka-supportive.
Oh my gosh, I knew it. Once I saw you, I knew that your soul is very generous. I knew that you will be the one to save us from the clutches of poverty.
Clutches talaga. Clutches, yung mga ginagawa kong English malalalim na.
I know.
He gave us to, 50, 50, 250.
Singapore.
Kaya nga tayo, 100, 200. Ang 3,000 plus daw to.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, sir. And what song, Peter, would you like to hear? We will be the ones to sing for you.
And because you gave us a big amount of money, you can take us home. Eat all you can.
Gaga.
What? May request na raw siya.
What song?
Singaporean National Anthem.
Really? Yeah. Are you trying to challenge me? I know that.
Paano?
I know that song.
You know that?
The Singaporean National Anthem.
Paano
How does it go, Steve?
I'm just kidding. Oh no, seriously.
Nasok na natin kasi
Yes.
request siya.
We got it. What song would you like us to sing?
Seriously.
Why don't you ask girlfriend over there?
He's requesting for 2 songs since he gave us 2
Sure.
So ano? Bleeding Love and Push the Button.
Oh, Bleeding Love and Push the Button.
Yeah, I'm sorry, button.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Peter, for your generous donation.
Ate, maraming salamat po,
And
ate.
Peter, would you like to add some?
Gaga.
Just kidding.
Maraming salamat po. Ang sige niya ay 300 Singaporean dollar. Tama ba?
No, 100.
100 Singapore.
Oo.
3,000 daw.
Oo, dahil 30 ang palit.
Seryoso ba?
Oo naman. Ano ka ba? Dati ka ba nagtatrabaho sa money changer, Angel? Hindi madalas na talaga ako sa money changer dahil dati akong snatcher. Kaya pala kabisado mo. Kabisado kayo monetary currency.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Peter. And this Push the Button, Mr. DJ.
And